Burying just one cucumber in the soil can give your plants up to 100 days of natural fertilizer. Sounds impossible? Nature has been doing it quietly for millions of years. Fruits and vegetables falling to the ground, breaking down and feeding the very earth they grew from. Today, we'll use that same magic right in your garden. First, take one fresh cucumber. It doesn't have to be perfect. Slightly overripe works too. Using a knife, make deep lines all around it, running lengthwise from top to bottom. These cuts will open pathways for nutrients to release faster into the soil. Next, grab some garlic powder and pour it generously into those lines. Garlic isn't just a kitchen spice. It's a powerful natural pest repellent that will protect your plants while the cucumber feeds them. Now, head out to your garden. Choose a spot near the base of your plants, where roots can easily reach the nutrients. Dig a hole about 6 to 8 inches deep. Place the cucumber inside and cover it completely with soil. Press gently to settle it in place. Over the coming days, the cucumber will slowly decompose, releasing potassium, magnesium, and moisture, while the garlic scent keeps pests away. Your plants get steady food for weeks, and your soil stays rich and alive. Try it once, and you might never look at cucumbers the same way again.